Today we are analyzing 3 confirmed Tesla updates from the past 2 weeks: the Cybercab production ramp at Giga Texas, the AI5 tapeout, and what the AI6 roadmap means for your car, and reported Cybertruck Q4 2025 sales data that has raised questions worth examining carefully. The most significant Cybercab milestone came on April 17, 2026, when drone operator Joe Tegtmeyer captured aerial footage of approximately 14 newly manufactured Cybercabs in the Giga Texas outbound lot, with no steering wheels, no pedals, and no side mirrors. TeslaNorth and Notateslaapp both confirmed the footage. These are the first units publicly matching the final production configuration from the We Robot event. Every prior Cybercab on public roads had temporary steering wheels to comply with safety regulations. 9 days earlier, on April 8th, Tegtmeyer spotted approximately 60 Cybercabs in the same lot, the largest grouping to date, though those units retained steering wheels indicating validation test versions rather than final production spec. The regulatory context behind these 2 sightings matters enormously. Under current federal motor vehicle safety standards, automakers are limited to 2,500 vehicles per year without traditional steering wheels and manual controls without a special federal exemption. Tesla is actively navigating this limit. The proposed Self-Drive Act of 2026, which would establish a federal framework for these vehicles, recently advanced in a House subcommittee. The 14 confirmed no steering wheel units represent production near the edge of what current law permits at full scale. Wikipedia's Cybercab article confirms Tesla commenced production in April 2026, consistent with Musk's stated target. The production architecture is what makes the Cybercab ramp potentially faster than traditional vehicle programs. The unboxed parallel assembly process builds 5 to 6 major modules simultaneously. Front section, structural battery pack with interior, rear section, and both side structures. Then laser-guided robots fasten these in a final step with body panels installed last. Lars Moravi, Tesla VP of Engineering, confirmed the paint shop elimination concept originated with the Cybertruck and has been pushed further in the Cybercab. Polyurethane body panels use color embedded in the material during molding, joined with ultrasonic welding. Bassner's analysis puts the target operating cost at 20 cents per mile all in. Commercial service in Austin within a geofenced area is targeted for late 2026 per multiple confirmed sources. On AI chips, confirmed on April 15, 2026, Musk posted a photograph of a fabricated AI5 processor on X confirming tapeout. A single AI5 delivers approximately 5 times the useful compute of a dual AI 4 configuration, per Musk's own statement. The Cybercab launching this month runs on AI4 hardware. Musk confirmed AI4 already achieves safety levels that surpass human drivers for FSD. AI5 volume production is targeted for mid-2027, projected but not confirmed in official Tesla filings. AI6 is expected to deliver double AI5 performance on Samsung's 2nm process in Taylor, Texas, with a reported AI 6.5 on TSMC's 2nm process in Arizona. Both are expected to use LPDDR6 memory. These projections have been widely reported but have not yet appeared in official Tesla documentation. The Cybertruck data from Q4 2025 is worth examining carefully rather than treating as a simple sales decline story. Total U.S. Cybertruck registrations were approximately 7,711 units in Q4 2025 per public registration filings. Of those, SpaceX accounted for approximately 1,279 units. Other Musk ecosystem companies, including the Boring Company, Neuralink, and XAI, added approximately 60 additional units. Together, approximately 19% of that quarter's deliveries came from within Musk's broader business network. At a base price of approximately $70,000, these transactions represent at minimum $100 million between related companies. Tesla did not publicly comment on the nature of these purchases. The full year 2025 Cybertruck figure dropped approximately 50%, from 2024's approximately 39,000 units. Tesla's response in February 2026 was a new AWD variant at $60,000 and a Cyberbeast reduction to $100,000. Clear pricing recalibration toward broader market access. With Model S and X production ending in Q2 2026, to free Fremont for Optimus, the Cybertruck now carries Tesla's entire traditional premium segment. Q2 2026 will be the first clean read on whether lower pricing drives genuine open market demand recovery or whether the challenges run deeper into product market fit. The three stories connect at a single strategic question. Is Tesla's hardware roadmap, Cybercab AI5, next-generation chips, delivering on schedule, and is the commercial vehicle business generating the revenue to fund it? The 14 no-steering wheel Cybercabs say the hardware is ready and production is confirmed. The regulatory timeline for full commercial deployment is the open variable. AI5 is confirmed at tape-out with a 2027 volume timeline. Cybertruck shows the cost of a vehicle that has not yet demonstrated sustained broad market appeal and makes the Reuters compact crossover report more strategically coherent than it might otherwise appear. What to track in the weeks ahead? The pace of no-steering wheel Cybercab production versus the 2,500 annual federal cap, any NHTSA, filing or Self-Drive Act development that changes that ceiling, Cybertruck Q2 2026 registration data when it becomes available, and any official Tesla statement on AI6 specifications. These are the concrete benchmarks this story will ultimately be judged against.